G'day and welcome to the Media School. My name's Andy and I'm a lecturer here and I'm going to show you around our campus. We've only moved in here a couple of years ago, so everything's really nice and modern. We've got a great computer lab and really great facilities and lots of new equipment. Let's go and have a look. So this is our computer lab where we do quite a lot of our practical classes. We do a lot of editing and filmmaking sessions in here. We've got a drop-down screen at the front so we can teach and live edit and have a screen up there displaying what program we're working on. And then we have students that can collaborate and work on computers here. We've got computers spread throughout the campus at the moment because we're in COVID times and we're spreading things out. We normally have a few more computers in here, but as we move through the campus, you'll see more. So we have the Adobe Creative Suite on the computers here, as well as DaVinci Resolve. We've got Final Cut Pro and quite a few other bits of software. They're the main ones that we use here. But we have students here working on projects such as, films, video production, podcasts, photography, obviously some great written articles, journalism, lots of creative pieces. So yeah, this is a really exciting place to be. It's a bit quiet right now, but come end of semester, this place will be pretty full of creativity and students working pretty hard together on their work. It's pretty cool. We do share, as you'll see, I'll move us around here. So just through this glass here is the mercury, and you can probably see a little bit of movement through there of journalists working on, we're doing journalism, I suppose, writing newspaper articles and doing research. So that's quite cool. We can see right into there and we kind of share space with them almost. We did walk through there on the way in, you would have seen. So it's quite a cool dynamic. Having them right there to motivate us. We've got a great relationship with the Mercury as well as Hype TV, which we walked past on the way in as well. We have interns going to both of those places and work experience opportunities and students that have gone on to work at those places. So geographically we're in a great location for that. Salamanca is excellent, lots of cafes and bars. It's great to be right near other media producers. Let's go and check out the rest of the campus. So this is our common space. We've got a couple of really cool little kind of hubs there, I suppose, that students can work in and collaborate in. We've got this kind of bar space here. This is kind of just an open space. We've got a kitchen here as well. This is all for our students to spend time in. So students work together here or on their own. They can bring their computers and plug them in or work off our computers. Again, we're here at a quiet time, but this is a really exciting time when we've got lots of students in. So we also overlook another office. Come and check this out. We've got some really cool views. It's night time at the moment when I'm filming this, just so we don't have many people around, but you can see this kind of cool view that we get out to this rock wall and with a bit of reflection in the glass at the moment. We kind of overlook this other office space down there. There's not much happening there at the moment. But yeah, these are these hubs that I was telling you about. I'll just flick the lights on this one so you can get a bit of a better look at it and come back. You see that all right? Just tilt you down a bit there. So at the moment, as I said, with COVID restrictions, we only have one person in here, but normally you can have like a few students working in here. They can have their laptops and they can plug them into the TV and look at things together, watch content together. So this is a great collaborating space as well. We've kind of set up this campus to be really collaborative and encourage students to work together, which is something that's a big part of our degree, is connecting with others at the university and, as I mentioned earlier, with our industry around Hobart. Let's keep on going. We'll have a bit of a look at the at the lecture rooms, there's the other hub. When we come through here, we've got a lecture room on the right here and one on the left as well. So we come through, you can see this is our smaller one and the entrance is at the other end, but they've got glass all around them. So everything's very open here, and we can all kind of see what each other's doing. If you see a class that you like, then maybe you can enroll in that one next semester. And we'll come through and have a look over here. We've got our filming studio up this way. So we've got a green screen studio up here. Let's go and check it out. We've got our Panasonic EVA 1 camera here. See if I can get a bit of light on that. I might just twist one of these so you can see that a bit better. So this is our Panasonic EVA 1 cinema camera. We've got 3 cinema cameras here on campus, which is pretty cool, and students can loan those out and use them for their projects. This is a Netflix approved, this camera, so Netflix will take content that's filmed by this camera. We also have a Sony FS7 cinema camera and a Canon C200, as well as 4 of the Panasonic Lumix GH5s, which I'm filming this with, and I'll give you a look at in a second. And we've also got a lot of, I think we've got like 8 Canon XA15 or XA20 cameras, which are great kind of run and gun cameras that get a really nice picture. So we've got a good variety of equipment, as well as a lot of audio recording equipment, but as well as this, this studio that we've got on campus, which is really convenient. It's a great green screen studio. We have students using this and keying the background out, or just using it for a studio for filming. We've also got access to other studios and audio studios and things like that over at Hunter Street, which is just a 10-minute walk away, the School of Creative Arts. I'll just bring us over this way because that camera's getting in the way a bit, eh? So we've also got other studios over at Hunter Street. We've got an audio booth next door, which is a little bit of a kind of storage room at the moment. It's kind of a bit of a quarantine for equipment that's being returned. So I won't show you that because it's pretty messy. But yeah, this is our recording studio for video. Pretty cool. I'll give you a bit of a look around. We're getting a bit of banding off the ceiling lights at the moment. Might just flick those off. There we go, that's a bit better, just the studio lights now. So this is the Panasonic GH5 that we have a few of and what I'm filming this with. And this is a great little camera. You can see this one's got one of the Voigtlander manual lenses that we use on it. Beautiful lens, really nice picture this camera gets, as you can see probably in this video. Our teleprompter over there, a couple of little costumes for some dress up. I've had a bit of fun on previous open days with that. And again, our Panasonic EVA 1. Pretty fun camera to shoot with there. Let's keep going through, we'll have a bit of a look. So, down the hallway here to the left, toilets. We probably don't need to go in and have a look at those, but just so you know where they are for when you come on campus. And back through towards the entrance. We'll have a quick little look in the lecture theatres here. So this is our large lecture theatre. We've normally got more chairs here, as I said a few times. We're in COVID times at the moment, so we can have about 20 people in the room right now, but normally we can have quite a lot more in here, and this is where we have a lot of our bigger classes here and some of our tutorials and seminars. We also have 2 big screens behind where you're looking from there. And we often have film screenings and seminars and presentations from researchers, faculty staff. We've had filmmakers come in and show their films and do Q&As and things like that. So this is quite a nice room for that. We've got these kind of wheelable chairs that you can slide around on. So again, that collaboration theme where students can kind of group up into groups here and work on projects together. So thanks very much for coming and having a look at the Media School virtually, albeit. If you've got any questions, then you can ask questions on the open days in the chat section, I believe. But hopefully you've got a bit of a feel for what it's like. We've also got a 360 tour that's up online if you want to check that out. But yeah, hopefully we'll see you here in the future and you can come and study media here.